Hi, this is Jodie from VIVE Cooking School. I'm going to show you how to make a little simple garnish with some green shallots. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the green part of them and you can just use a pair of scissors and come over and just trim the top, so you don't want none of the white part underneath, okay? And then what you're going to do is there's two different ways you can do this. You can pop one down and then take it on an angle and then slice it up, so you get these beautiful little rings but on an angle, so they look more elegant, you could say. And then you can slice those up and those are ready for garnish. Another way, which is probably my favorite way to do it, is to slice it into little batons, lay it down flat, and you can stack it on top of each other, and then you're going to slice it up really nice and thin. And then once you've got that nice and thin, you're going to pop it into a bowl of cold water. So you're going to take this and put it inside the bowl of cold water. Now, if you want to speed this up at all, you can throw some bits of ice in there and that will make them go really nice and curly really quickly. Or what you can do is, if you've got a little bit more time, is pop that into the cold fridge just for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then what you're going to get is these beautiful little ringlets of shallots there. So you've got the beautiful little green ringlets of shallots, which if you pop them down on this plate here, you'll be able to see. This is a really great way to elevate any dish that you've done. Just take it to the next level, or you've got the on the angle slice ones there too. So really up to you, but something that would normally get thrown out, you can use for garnish.